In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PU Prime to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do inside your PU Prime dashboard, you want to go to the Accounts tab and you want to create an account, a trading account for MT5. So you could either do a live account or a demo account. It doesn't matter. The setup is pretty much the same. So you could go to Open Account here, click on whatever you want, select the MT5 platform as your trading platform, and then the rest is up to you. Press submit and your account will be created. After this, you will receive the login credentials onto your email. And of course, if you have MT5 on your computer already, that's great. But if you don't, go to the Downloads tab here on the left. Scroll down, and here it says MetaTrader 5. Click on Download for, of course, whatever platform you're using. I'm going to do Windows. It's going to download, click on it, and then when you actually open it up, it's going to open up this installer where you have to click on Next, and then it's going to start installing the platform, and within just a few seconds, this should now say Finish down here at the bottom right, and that's where you want to click. So when this comes to the end, there's going to say Finish. You usually have to wait like 10 seconds. There we go. Click on Finish. It's going to open up MT5 on your computer. As you can see here, there we go. If it doesn't automatically pop up the login window, click on File, top left, click on Open an Account, and then in here, you should see PU Prime. If you don't, just type in PU Prime over here, click on it, and click on Next. After you do this here, click on Connect with an existing trade account, and then here you basically have to put in your credentials inside your email. So for me, I have to put in my login, which is this number, and then the MT5 password, and then the server for me is demo. For you, it may be different. Select the correct one, press Finish, and just like that, you are now connected with your PU Prime account onto MT5. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.